Hi friends, in this video I would be showing 6 methods to block ads. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, tap on security and privacy, go down, tap on more privacy settings, tap here. Option 1, turn off send diagnostic data, tap here and turn off. Unselect this and select, then tap on OK, done. Option 2, turn off Android personalization service, tap here and turn off, done. Option 3, go to Android system intelligence, tap here, tap on clear data, tap on all time, tap on clear data, done. So this way we can clear all data stored by Android system intelligence. Then go down, tap on activity controls, this is the option 4. Go down, first turn off web and app activity. See, it's off. By default this would be on, so you have to turn off. Go down, then turn off timeline. See, timeline is off. Go down, then turn off YouTube history. Here YouTube history is on. You can tap on turn off, that way you can turn off YouTube history. Then turn off personalized ads. You can tap here and turn off personalized ads. So we have to turn off all these options. By default all these options would be on, so that way we can block ads. Go back, option 5, tap on ads, go down. Here you can see advertising ID. Google stores all data and activities against this ID. We can reset this ID, that way we can delete all data stored by Google. Tap on this reset advertising ID, tap on confirm. See, it's created new advertising ID. Let me try again. So this way we can reset advertising ID and delete all data stored by Google. That way we can block ads. Go back. Option 6, tap on usage and diagnostics. Turn off this. Done. These are the 6 methods to block ads. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.